Hi guys, how are you? Welcome back. It's Megan. Today we will be making latkes for the first day of Hanukkah. I'm so excited. If you don't know, Hanukkah is the holiday about the miracle of oil that was supposed to last one day, lasted 8 days. Latkes are great. They're potato pancakes. They're really tasty. You can do a savory or a sweet. I've got all my stuff. I'm ready to go. Let's get started. To celebrate Hanukkah, because of the miracle with the oil, we cook food with oil to represent that. Latkes are fried in oil, and that is the purpose of this. Here I have 4 small potatoes, or a little bit over a pound. I'm going to add 1 diced up onion to this pound of potatoes. Also, the potatoes get wrung out because you want this as dry as possible. I grated the potatoes with a regular box grater. I just diced the onions with a knife. Here I have minced garlic. First I'm gonna combine these and then I will add my other ingredients. 2 eggs, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, 2 teaspoons of salt. Here I have a spice mix that I just put together. Parsley, rosemary, Italian seasoning, and mango habanero. You could use any spice you like. Last, 1 cup of flour. Mix until well combined. Make sure your temperature is at 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Mine is a little bit over 300, so it's still gonna be another minute. You really want it to be at the proper temperature in order to ensure proper friedness. Okay, the oil is at 350. I'm gonna go ahead and shape this up, give it a fry. My measuring cup is 1/3 of a cup. Cook these for 5 minutes and then flip in 5 minutes on the other side as well. Okay, so here's the finished product. We've got a big stack of latkes compared to the amount of ingredients that goes into this, like really good recipe. You can top it with anything you want. I really like sour cream and green onions. That's very classic. Another classic latke topping is applesauce, which I don't happen to have right now today. I'm also serving it on a bed of arugula because eating fried foods is really good to do with something green to help with heartburn. You could also use ketchup, mustard, mayo, anything that you would put on fries, you can put on latkes. These are so amazing. They're so crunchy, so flavorful. I've already tried some, but I'm gonna try it again because it is so good and I cannot wait to devour this whole pile. Let's give it a taste. Ooh, I've also got fresh jalapenos. This is gonna be so good. I love this spicy food. We love latkes! I hope all of you have a really safe and wonderful holiday season, no matter what holiday you celebrate. Please give these latkes a try. They are so worth it and so tasty, just like every fried food. Until next time, bye! If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe for more content like this.
Whoa! We have a piece of fuzz in here first.
You yell this thing and get him going. We love latkes! Gotta chew it up. Chew it! Chew it! You like it? He loved it.